In this video, we are going to talk about structure of plasma membrane. Well, you know that plasma membrane is present in almost every type of living cell, be it bacterial cell, plant cell or animal cell. Plasma membrane is present as the externalmost layer in case of animal cells, whereas in case of plant, it is present just beneath the cell wall. So presence of plasma membrane is one of the most important thing in case of living cells. Cells without plasma membrane may not able to live and they are going to die. So let us understand plasma membrane in detail. Plasma membrane, the model you can see over here, is known as a fluid mosaic model given by Singer and Nicholson 1972. According to this model, a plasma membrane is a trilaminar structure, as you can see in the diagram. Trilaminar structure means it has a three layer. In this case, the head shows hydrophilic properties, can absorb water, can come in contact with the water. Head is hydrophilic, whereas tail part is hydrophobic, so that the exterior of the cell as well as interior of the cell may come in contact with the water, but the area which is present between these two layers becomes hydrophobic, and that makes the cell able to survive and control the transport of materials across it. Let us understand the various functions associated with the plasma membrane. Transport of materials across the membrane. As you know, plasma membrane is considered as the semi-permeable membrane. Means it allows certain substances to pass through and will prevent the other materials to pass through, so that the transport of material in and out of the cell is regulated by plasma membrane, and this regulation is very important for the survival of a cell. This transport can be performed in two ways, as diffusion and osmosis. As you know, diffusion is the transport of material like gases, water, ions or minerals from its a source of higher concentration to the source of lower concentration, whereas the osmosis is related with the transport of water. So osmosis can be defined as the transport of water molecules from its a source of higher concentration to its a source of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, that is through a plasma membrane. Second, it provides definite shape to the cell. Plasma membrane is going to play important role in the formation of a cell structure. For example, in case of animal cell, you may see a various type of cells. For example, RBCs are there, these are oval and discoid. Then there will be epithelial cells, there will be columnar cells, and there will be irregular cells or branch cells. So these are the various shape and size of the animal cells and are regulated by means of plasma membrane. And the third function is to separate the cellular content from its surrounding. As a cell is going to contain a very important elements like the protoplasm and various cell organelles inside a membrane bound structure. So these organelles and chemicals must be separated from the environment so that they can perform a particular function assigned to them. So this is a very important aspect, that it separates its cellular content from the surrounding. When you look at the structure of a cell, you will see a cell is externally guarded by a plasma membrane, and there will be a fluid known as protoplasm. And internally there will be various organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ER, etc. So all these cell organelles are also covered by means of a membrane that is also known as plasma membrane. So plasma membrane show its presence not only to the surrounding level or to the exterior, but also it provides a facility in the formation of various organelles. That's why plasma membrane is also called as a biomembrane. So that's it for the today. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe.